Welcome to the Cape Saint Blaize Distillery. My name is Ronnie. I'm basically the brand ambassador of the Cape Saint Blaize brand home. We teach people to make their own bottle of gin, which is a 500 milliliter bottle that you personalize yourself, uniquely so, because it's so sentimental. You might never be able to do it again. It's like your fingerprint. Even if you come back again and do the same bottle and use the same botanicals, it will never taste the same. And now you get to walk out of here in 1.5 hours with your 500 milliliter bottle, guided by one of us, which is the Gin School presenters. Also, we offer tasting. Now, in between the school, also the package in the school entitles the following. As you walk in, you get a welcome drink. After the welcome drink, we sit you down, and then we take you through the whole process or the whole journey of gin making. In between, also this class will take you to a distillery, where we do like a distillery tour, show you around what we do in the distillery, in the Cape Saint Blaize Distillery, and also we do a tutored tasting in between the class also. That's the package of the Gin Masterclass. And also, you can come in any time of the day for a gin tasting, either in the gin school, in the brand home, Cape Saint Blaize brand home, or you can do it in the restaurant, Cape Saint restaurant, or at the sun deck, where you can enjoy a sea view while doing a tasting.